All right, so we got this little XP600 that I showed you the magenta deflection earlier, and here we have my Printhead Doctor. This is the Printhead Doctor 12. I have this one set up for water-based ink because I don't have the actual adapter for this printhead, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like, that deflection. And there's no clearing it up. I mean, there's no that ultrasonic tank. It just runs the heads. I don't even turn it on, don't even have it plugged in. It's not very good. And I could run this machine for days and the deflection never clear up. So here we go. Enter, start. See if I can show you. And it should be a nice solid stream. It is not. It's very choppy. This is just a magenta. I have it just running to both magenta channels. So let's see if I can show you exactly. Kind of hard to see, but it's really, really choppy. It is not clearing up whatsoever. I could run this again. I could run this for days and never. And I had done so. I ran this machine and seen if it would ever unclog. So when you got deflection like that, there's no head soaks, nothing you're going to be able to do. It's in the piezo crystal. It's defect in the printhead and it needs replaced. Hopefully you guys can see that good. Kind of hard, maybe over something darker. No. Very choppy, you see that? And that's at some pretty good pressure going through there. That should be a perfect waterfall, but it's not. This printhead is just toast.